Glossybox sent me this box and I'm super excited because we are gonna unbox it together. I'm gonna go ahead and move the camera down so you guys can see. As you guys can see, Glossybox sent me this box. So I believe this was one of their holiday boxes, so I do apologize that it's late, but this is what it looks like. But this is their packaging. Super cute gold. Like, you could definitely keep these boxes and re-gift and just put like a little sticker or something on the sides. It'd be super cute for a present. So love that. And then this is what the box looks like. So we have holiday. So this is like the spoiler one where it shows you everything that's in there. And then you open this, like even just all the packaging is always just so A1. So this right here is the Kawaii Girl Cosmetics, and it's a loose shimmer powder and it's in the color Albertine. So whether you have glittery eyeshadow, you want to highlight your cheekbones or add a little sparkle to your lips, this can do it all. So this is worth $15 on KawaiiGirlCosmetics.com. Our next thing is this Neolastin Rejuvenate and Hydrate Moisturizing Cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this here. And it comes from this whole collection where it says The Science of a Beautiful You. So this is like a whole collection. Now this right here is worth $56. And then the full size is $140. So this is a high quality moisturizer that nourishes your skin with anti-aging, that rejuvenates and restores texture and gives a more radiant look and feel. So what it reminds me of is this company I used to work with called City Beauty, and this is probably like a sculpting cream. So I'm gonna try it from here, and I'm pretty sure that when I put it on my arm, that like, or my hand in a little bit, I'm gonna feel like a tightening sensation. So these are really good for like your skin, for like giving you that nice tight and supple look. So this will be super nice to use on the face, of course. So here we are. I'm super excited for that. Okay, so next we have this Dutch Dirt mask, and this is an exfoliating scrub and face mask in one. So that's pretty awesome, and it's just what I need because I feel like my skin has been so like crazy right now. Ooh, it's pretty dark, so I can see why they call it a mud mask. So I'll do it on this side so you guys can see how it comes out. Yeah, it's pretty dark, as you guys can see. A little water came out with it too. But this is it, super gritty. Smells pretty good. This retails for $49 on lookfantastic.com. It's a little messy now, but this, here it is, the Dutch Dirt mask. Okay. Next we have some shampoos. This is a CBD calming shampoo and hydrating mask. So it's for sensitive scalp and dry hair if you're looking for a clean and healthy glow. It can calm your scalp, hydrate dry hair, and it's supposed to work together to reduce breakage. So the deluxe set is worth $16. The full set is worth $53. And I think I might have peeked in this and I left the conditioner out on the table. So yeah, I actually see it over there on the table right now, but here is the shampoo. Next we have, this is the Voice Viva Valentina perfume. So it's supposed to have an orange blossom and golden gardenia with an Italian bergamot and mandarin. It's addictive, and the small one is $99.45, but the large bottle is $135. So I'm gonna give it a quick smell. Yeah, this actually smells lovely. Usually I would gift my perfumes, but this one I'm not going to. I'm going to put this back in the box and use this all 2022 long. Okay, and we also have, this is an eye patch, also not on the box. This is crazy how they give you like so much extra stuff that's not in the little pamphlet. I'm reading off this pamphlet right here. Unless there's a second page, but no, there's totally not. So sometimes you'll get some free goodies. So we got some eye patches in here, and I also threw in a lip gloss. So this is Vitabird lip gloss. Probably go really well just by itself or with brown lip liner. And then last but not least, we got a little bit of Milk makeup in here. So this is the lip and cheek blush, I'm guessing. The color is in Work. Pretty excited to try this because it looks like pretty orangey. So I'm just gonna swatch it over here. It's just so perfect though that I don't want to swatch it at all. I'm pretty excited to use this as a blush. I think that's gonna look like really rosy and whatnot on my cheekbone, so more to come on that. Okay guys, so that is it for this Glossybox holiday limited edition. There's so many good goodies in here. This has so much value in it, like, and this was the luxury edition as well. I know it's past the holiday season, but I still wanted to share it with you guys so you guys can see what Glossybox tends to gift from month to month. So now I'm going to show you guys another Glossybox that they sent to me. Sent it back, I believe, in November, so super late with unboxing, but be right back. All right guys, so for this next Glossybox, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did already open it, so there are a couple things missing because I did use it, but it does have the same typical black box packaging, and then inside it has like a branded Glossybox packaging. So not gonna lie, I did unpackage it already, but here's what it came with. So this is another limited edition, so it's like another one of the holiday ones. So it shows you everything that it came with, which is awesome. So this one came with 5 items, and I already started using one of them. It's in my shower, so I'll have to go back and grab it. But let's start with the first one, which is the Chella Manifest Bronze Eyeshadow Palette. I haven't opened this yet, but it's like the color is kind of everything. Like, I love the browns. This is definitely something that would be brown girl friendly. It has 4 shades in this palette, and it says it's buildable, highly pigmented, and it ensures that it'll amplify your inner and outer glow. So this little package retails for $20. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and we'll just go ahead and swatch it and go across. Okay, maybe I didn't go in hard enough. So right there. Next one here. Ooh, that one is super pigmented. Oh wow, that's super dark right there. This last one I use my pinky. I'm interested in seeing how this turns out because it's gonna be like a transition color. Ooh, okay. So this is what the swatch is looking like. It's pretty pigmented, and this is like perfect for travel. You could just go in your purse and you'll always have something to make your eyes come to life if you're like out somewhere and don't want to bring your whole eyeshadow palette. This is perfect because it has pigment. Next we have the Egg and Rouge, and this is a satin soft blurring primer and finishing fix, so I'm super excited to try this. And the Glossybox advent calendar, they had another Egg and Rouge. They had like I think it was like a serum or something. So I'm interested to see how these two pair together. And this retails for $52. It's designed to fix foundation and finish your complexion for a complete matte look. So you guys know I have oily skin, so matte primers is definitely what I look for. And it absorbs oil. So I'm really excited to try this. You guys stay tuned on my channel to see when I use this for different looks. And then next is, I'll have to go and get that, but it is this Daily Cleansing Balm by Vitabird C12. And this one goes with another thing that came in a Glossybox. So it's cool because if you guys subscribe, sorry, the lighting is off. But what is cool about Glossybox is that if you guys do end up subscribing, like month after month, they'll send you things from the same brand. So that way, like, you're only paying what, 40-50 bucks a month, but over time you're gonna have like hundreds of dollars worth from brands, and you'll be able to pair them together. Now, if you're into like having everything at the same time, it is different. Like if you want to have your cleanser with your toner all bought at the same time, but if you kind of like surprises, it is fun. So I know I look completely different. I did end up putting on makeup, and the lighting is different in my little studio. Bear with me, but let's get back into the box. Fourth thing is by this brand, and it's called Commodity Paper, and it's a lightweight and effortless fragrance. So this is $10, but the actual fragrance retails for $105. So this is the second fragrance that we're testing out today. So, oh, it's very woody. Okay, very, very woody. Yeah, to be honest, I'm not sure how much I like this one. It grows on you. This is different. This is definitely probably gonna go in my travel bag as well. But this is like, we're gonna have to let this one grow. And then the last thing we have is this Sweet Cherry Lip Oil. I love a good lip oil, you guys, especially something that I can use at night before I go to bed. So it says, say bonjour to your new favorite lip obsession. This non-sticky, moisture-rich lip treatment has a pH color changing formula that works well with your unique pH level to give you a color. Okay, so we have to try this on camera because it's going to give us a custom shade. Okay, so this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. I do have a lip color on right now, but it's very subtle. Pretty much gone, so we're just gonna try it. Super glossy. I think it's turning more into a pink color. This is crazy. It's like really bringing out the red in my lip. This is crazy. So this is actually pretty fun. I like it. Like it makes it look like my lips are like really red. And this only retails for $12 on thebeautycrop.com. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this new video of me unboxing Glossybox PR. I'm definitely a fan of Glossybox. They're gifted to me, but I still think that they're worth it because you get to try so many new brands that you would never really ever try, and it's just like experimental, and it's fun to have a gift every month of something new, and it's fun to see them like send you the same product or send you different products from the same brand as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Glossybox unboxing. I'll keep you guys posted as I continue to get more in the mail. This is my third box that I've gotten in the mail. The very first box I got was like this huge advent calendar. I'll link that video below for you guys to go and check out. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.